Hi, this is Sukumar. I have completed my graduation in stream of computer science engineering. Recently placed at Athena Global Technologies. Before 10,000 coders, I have got few offers in the hand, but the requirements didn't met between the, whether with the location or else the package, etc., etc. But after joining the 10,000 coders, now I have been placed as a trainee software engineer with the all the requirements as per my satisfaction. In the 10,000 coders, apart from technical skills, we have communication classes where Swati madam has helped us a lot with how we need to frame one sentence, how we need to be confident. Apart from it, we have a problem solving regarding lectures there. Technical part, you're gonna be pushed to this placement team, where in this 10,000 coders we have a dedicated placement team where they're gonna continuously search for the new opportunities, and they're gonna hold our profiles based on our mock interviews. They're gonna assign one percentages which we need to clear with at least 70%. Based on the profiles and based on the skills we have, they're gonna continuously assign and moreover schedule the interviews, whether it may be offline or online. So coming to myself, I have attended nearly 6 to 7 companies where it gonna includes as a Python developer and React developer, and based on a few companies based on the problem solving. So I kind of like a dedicated placement team here, which I like the most, where they're gonna work continuously on one person, one profile. If you're not doing well in this company, so take light, don't take up anything serious. We're gonna see the other opportunities. This kind of words make me comfortable in these 10,000 coders and from the placement team.